Forbes entrepreneur. Folks, this brand new platform I'm going to show you works with massive companies with billions of dollars, and today you will get a chance to establish your own income stream by following the steps from this tutorial. Yes, this is made for normal everyday people with no previous experience. Yes, a complete beginner can do this, and yes, it works on your country because it's available worldwide. And even after all the strategies that I've shared with you guys for the past few months, so I still to this day see some people commenting they haven't found a good make money online strategy for themselves yet, and that's either because they haven't tried enough and they gave up too early, or they didn't follow the steps from these tutorials and they immediately try to rush it and went and try to do it themselves. And listen, I get it, you are excited, you want to start making money online as fast as possible, but trust me, it's a lot of better to first gain the knowledge and watch the entire 10 minutes long tutorial than to click off and spend hours and hours trying to figure out on your own and then not make any money. So I think in today's strategy it will be super simple to implement. So we will begin as soon as you drop the like to this video, leave a thumbs up down below so we can hit the 1,000 likes in this one, okay? And if you haven't already done so, do yourself a massive favor by clicking the red subscribe button with notifications on, and I will notify you whenever I have a new strategy on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it, and that way of course you can be the one of the first one to start making money online right away. So first of all, I want to show you the app that is going to work for you, and the app that is going to allow you to make money on complete autopilot. So this one app, this platform will be set everything for you on complete autopilot. So if you follow all and each of these steps, so you can earn money hands-free and earn money passively. So let's go into the computer and let's start with the process. So the first step and one of the first websites that I want to show you is called selfie.com. So before coming into a website, let me explain to you all the features about this website and how you can make money with this website and thousands of dollars potentially. So when you come to selfie.com, you're gonna see this is actually a platform that it will allow you to create e-commerce stores and sell merchandise and digital products very easily, okay? So essentially you can get the store up and running in 5 minutes, and if you are a creator and you are a designer, this actually will work very well for you. So you can actually build print on demand products, you can as well sell digital products, even subscriptions, and as well you can easily embed the buy now button, and the support is 24/7. As you can see here, the community has got over 32,000 creators, and then you might be wondering, okay, so how are you gonna make money with this? So just wait a second, let me show you all the successful people that are actually making thousands of dollars with this strategy. So for example, let's have a look at Sorella Moore, which is a photographer, and as you can see here in this article, how the best job on the planet winner made 25k per month on Selfie with presets. So you can go and have a look at each of the testimonies, and then you can see that, you know, that these people have had success themselves. So if you're a photographer, if you're a filmmaker, travel blogger, you know, here is a guitarist, a filmmaker again, and I'm sure it will be many other designers, entrepreneur. So you can just go on your own time and just have a look at the different testimonials. And as I say, if this has worked for them, it will actually work for you as well, okay? So let's have a look at some more of the features and how this website will actually benefit you. So as I say, you can sell print on demand, digital products, and even subscriptions, and do video streaming. So you can customize your store as you like, very easy, and you can really easy put your design in all the products that you want. You know, as you can see here as well, they offer email marketing, tracking pixels, so you can actually connect it to Facebook, which is great. So you will be able to do retargeting marketing, if you want to do any retargeting. And as well, it gives you the option, you know, to connect it with other platforms like WordPress. This is a Square one, and then Wix. You can embed it with YouTube. So actually it's very good, you know, and I'm gonna show you how you can start making payments with receiving payments with this. You know, I can see over here you can receive payment through different platforms like PayPal or Stripe. And then what I want you to go to do is I want you to go to Google, and you're gonna put Sell-Fi affiliate program. So this is how you guys going to get paid with this program. Okay, so you will go to Sell-Fi affiliate program, and then you will see that the only thing you have to do is you will need to sign up, get your affiliate link. You have to share this link with your audience, and then once the people purchase, you can get commissions. And how big are these commissions? Well, you will get 25% just to start with for a lifetime commission. So as you can see on the website, it's gonna tell you, you know, it's gonna give you more features of why you should become a Sell-Fi affiliate and how it can benefit you. It can help you if you are a blogger, a creator, or you know, you are good at marketing as well. And these are the tiers. So basically, when you have 40 sales per month or more, it will actually increase. So with 6 to 15 sales per month, your commission increases from 25% to 30%. From 16 to 40, it will increase to 35%, and 40 plus, that's 40% commission. So this is actually great because you will be able to increase the number of the money that you're actually getting, you know, for the people subscriptions, the more sales that they make. Okay, and then if we look at the pricing, you can see if they buy yearly, you will get 25% of this, but as I say, it will increase the more sales. So 25% of 1,000, you will get over more than $200. And for the monthly one, it will be $129 per month, and then that means that will be, to start with, you'll be getting 30 to 40 bucks, you know, monthly, if you promoting the platform. So now I'm gonna show you how you will be able to get the traffic. So first of all, you will become an affiliate, and then you will go through the process of signing up. You need to join now, and then you will just have to fill up the application form. Once that you fill up all the details, then you will submit, and then that's it. You know, you just need to wait until they review your application, and then you get accepted. So now you're gonna think, okay, so I've signed up with the platform, I've got my affiliate link, how can I make money out of this? So let me show you. So you will go to YouTube, and then you will put on YouTube on the search bar how to make money as a creator, and then you are going to create a channel where you're gonna start building videos about this. Trust me, the more videos that you build related to how to make money as a creator, you know, you can the more chances will be for people to click in on the link and then go into your affiliate product and sign up with Sell-Fi. So you can have a look here, the different videos that have been posted, and then you can get an idea what other people are doing, so which is actually good as well. And then you might be wondering, okay, so actually this sounds like a good idea, but I don't want to put my face in camera. So you don't have to put your face in camera. What you can do is you can use an alternative software, which for example will be Lumen 5. So this is one of the software that I use, very easy. You know, you pay like $15 a month, something like that, but you as well have got a free plan, and you can start building your you can build your template over here. You know, you can start from the scratch. I'm gonna press skip, and then I'm gonna select for YouTube. Then it will load, and then you can start designing your media, and all the text that you put over here is the text that will actually display in the file, you know, when the video shows. So for example, welcome to the video. Let me paste this actually. So let's go to elaborate first. Then wanna put creator, and then you can get clips, all different clips, and you can add them into your video, and then you can start using someone else's content where you are allowed to use, as you can see over here. And this can be modified. You know, you can write wherever you want. welcome to our video and so on, and then you can mix it up with your own text or whatever you want to like it. But then it's as simple as clicking in the next one, and then you can create the next slide. You will go back to media, and then you can select a different clip, and this way, this is how you can create your videos. Okay, and then you might be wondering, okay, but this is actually good, but I have doubts because I don't know how I'm gonna get my views. Okay, this is a good point. So you have signed up for the affiliate program. Now you got your link, you got your videos, you put them into YouTube. Now you're gonna have to get your views. So I would recommend a website for you to go to, which is called bfly.com. And this website, when you sign up, it will help you to make your YouTube videos go viral. So it's as simple as signing up. Then just follow the process, but you can see here, it shows proof of people that have actually worked with other YouTubers, and you will see that actually it's a good plan. For this is a good way to get the views very quickly. Otherwise, you can see more testimonials at the bottom. Otherwise, if you're not gonna do it this way, the other way will be the slow route, where that will mean that you will need to be posting regularly on YouTube. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy, guys. As I say, go to the website, sign up for the affiliate program, have a look at the testimonies so you see what other people are doing. But as you can see here, the potential is huge. And then once that you have signed up with the platform, we're gonna proceed to create our videos. Once that you have your videos, you can create them, as I say, on a software like Lumen.5, which is, you got the free option, or you can upgrade where you pay $15 per month or something like that, and then you can boost your videos with the other software, which is bfly. So guys, if you like today's strategy, please give me a massive thumbs up, because that will really help the channel to keep going and for me to keep bringing you the latest strategies on digital marketing. I hope that you enjoyed, and yeah, this is all for today's strategy. If you want to find out more strategies about making money online and make thousands of dollars per month, please click on the first link on the description, because there I will give you a free training with everything you need to get started and start making high ticket product commissions. So this is all for today's video. I hope you have a great day, and have a great week, and be successful. All the best.